What's going on, guys? In this video, I want to talk about an exercise that I think maybe you possibly have not considered doing that can enhance your Muay Thai. It's something that we did a lot as kids, and I have my students do it as a warm-up. And I just don't think you give it much thought, but I know you've seen it in Muay Thai training, and even Muay Thai fights. And that movement is skipping. Again, this is something we did as a kid. We just take off and start skipping, but as an adult, it just doesn't cross your mind. Mainly because you probably feel foolish, looks a little odd doing it out in public or at a gym or in general. But the benefits from a fitness perspective, like some light strength and a lot of conditioning, as far as the movement itself elevating explosively, is good for your hip flexors. It's really good for your glutes and your hamstrings back here. Again, your glutes being your anti-gravity muscles when you explode up to skip. So you got your exercise. And then just application, how it folds into Muay Thai. And if you're not aware of how it folds into your Muay Thai, and I hope to show you how it can really, really add to what you're doing when it comes to your striking. So skipping, right? I always tell my students, skip like school children, and that's swing your arms fully up. I use it a lot when we're boxing. We use skipping, swinging our arms forward, swinging our arms back, self hugs. And then you've got really explosive. As far as the fitness aspect, it's really good for cardio. And again, the motion of exploding up, really strengthening your hip flexors, and again, your glutes. Now, why would that help your Muay Thai? Why would you use it? If you understand the motion of skipping, this can elevate your knees and your elbows and your teeps. Once you get comfortable in moving and adding a skip into your foot movement, a lot of advanced Thai fighters use it for feints. So I'm here, right? And if I have a good skip, okay, the active skipping, look. So people do a jumping knee and they step and they leap really high into the air. And that's easy to see. By definition, literally, yes, that's a jumping knee. But a good Muay Thai jumping knee, unless you're aiming for the head, the kind I like to throw is right into the centers, the kind that they don't see. They're looking here. They're looking in this triangle here. Remember, we have our shapes in Muay Thai. There's your triangle, right? They're looking here. And we're punching, and then I'm striking or I'm marching, my footwork, I'm here, and then suddenly when I take this step, and then I can close so much distance, right? I'm here, right? Striking, boom, boom, right? My roundhouse, boom. Move, shuffle this way, bah, bah. And then when I'm ready to go, if they're really far away, I can try to punch my way in, or I'm here, I can close really far. I take this little step to load myself. I step, and then, again, I'm not leaping in the air. I'm not taking a step and jumping up in the air. I'm gliding across the floor. I'm skipping. I use it a lot for teeps, right? I skip. I'm sure you've seen that. I mean, Sanchai made his teep famous, right? You got your Sanchai angle teep here, and then that's a skipping motion with his foot. Here, teep. You can close a lot of distance, right? When you learn that skipping motion and learning to glide across the floor, close to the floor, you can cover a lot of ground really fast. And then you've got all this momentum behind you. It's all the momentum of your weight. It's not up. When you jump, it's up and it's coming down. When you skip, it goes up for a little bit, and then it goes straight. So all that momentum is plowing forward into the target. So you got your skips for your knees, right? You skip, knee, yeah. Now you can feint, right? A lot of the feints, you've seen this before. If you watch Muay Thai, you've seen this, okay? So here, right? Teep, hey, boom, boom, hey. It's used as a feint, okay? I'm here. You see some people walking forward with feints. Huh? My favorite is really off the teep. Teep. I pick it up, and I like to fire off my backhand. You can do this with kicks. Again, here. Boom. Right? Here. One of my favorites is with elbows. Here. I skip. I like the same side elbow. I skip as soon as my weight shifts down. You can do the opposite side, tomahawk style. Same side, tomahawk, right? Opposite side here, boom, right? Or with the elbow, the vertical or slashing, right? Here, All those opportunities become prevalent when you learn to skip. The more comfortable you are skipping, the better you can apply it in your flow, in your footwork, in your combinations. Boom, boom, right? The more you skip, the better you get. The more comfortable you are at breaking that out, either to feint or to throw. So think about it. Try skipping if you're not already doing it, and try those skipping attacks. Do the skipping as a warm-up, and then try adding the skipping motion into your shadow boxing. If you have a good trainer or a good partner that knows the skip, they can incorporate it into the pad work. But if they're not, then you can practice on the bag a little bit, but you don't have a lot of distance when you're working on a bag. So the best time to work on it would be shadow boxing. And then the next time would be when you're light sparring, when you're play sparring. Put it into your combinations. See what works for you. So give it a shot, guys, and I hope it really elevates your Muay Thai. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll keep this thing going for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.